Alright, let's talk about real estate investing. It can be a pretty sick deal if you ask me. Who wouldn't want to own a piece of property that could potentially skyrocket in value over time and give you a steady flow of cash from rent? And don't even get me started on the tax breaks you could score. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, because investing in real estate also has its rough spots. So let's break it down and look at both sides of the coin. Opportunities. Long-term growth. Real estate has the potential to go up in value over time, which could mean big bucks for you in the long run. This is all thanks to factors like inflation, housing demand, and a healthy economy. Stable returns. When you invest in real estate, you're essentially becoming a landlord, and that means collecting rent from tenants, which provides a sweet, steady income. Tax benefits. Real estate investing comes with some sweet tax incentives. Think deductions for mortgage interest, depreciation, and property maintenance expenses. Diversification. By investing in real estate, you're spreading your money around and reducing your overall risk. Real estate investments tend to not be closely tied to the stock market, which is always a plus. Risks. Market conditions. The real estate market can be swayed by things like interest rates, unemployment, and economic growth. If the market takes a downturn, property values could drop and your returns could take a hit. Location risk. The location of your property can make a big impact on its value. If you invest in a property in a high-crime area or a declining economy, it could be tough to rent or sell, which could hurt your returns. Property maintenance costs. Real estate investments require ongoing maintenance, like repairs, upgrades, and renovations. These costs can add up fast and eat into your returns. Management responsibilities. Real estate investing can be a real pain in the butt to manage. You'll be responsible for finding tenants, collecting rent, and dealing with any maintenance issues. It can be time-consuming and a hassle. In conclusion, investing in real estate has its pros and cons. On the one hand, you have the potential for long-term growth, stable returns, tax benefits, and diversification. On the other hand, there are risks like market conditions, location risk, property maintenance costs, and management responsibilities. It's important to weigh the upsides and downsides before diving in. And, as with any investment, it's always wise to do your research and chat with a financial advisor to make sure real estate investing is the right move for you.